Okay, this is a raw spent lubricating oil inlet. To fill in the SLO in thin film evaporator, we will open the end cap. Now we fill in the raw SLO in thin film evaporator. We use liquefied petroleum gas as a fuel for combustion process. For the startup operation, we will start the fire in furnace. To control the fire, we rotate the valve 10% to 100%. The main part of our project is thin film evaporator. We install one temperature gauge, one SLO inlet, and two vapor outlet, light phase outlet, and heavy phase outlet. Next, switch on the water pump. To supply water from water tank to both condenser, light phase and heavy phase. This is water flow inlet, go to condenser, and outlet return to water tank. There are two temperature sensors, one at water inlet and one at water outlet pipeline. This is temperature reading in degrees Celsius, temperature 1 for water inlet and temperature 2 for water outlet. Switch on the exhaust fan as a cooling system. After 2-hour operation, the temperature reading is approximately 186 degrees Celsius. The process required maintain the temperature at 200 degrees C. If the temperature more than or less than 200 degrees C, we adjust the regulator to control the fire. For the shutdown process, we totally close the valve. Next, switch off the water pump. Switch off the exhaust fan.